Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for watching. For today's video, I'm gonna try to make an LED neon sign. It's gonna be for my daughter's birthday. I wanted to say Wild One. So for this video, all we're gonna use is a scroll saw, a Cricut machine, and some super glue, and also some solderless wire. Also, I tried soldering, kind of burned myself a little. Woo! Hey, a solder? It's a little hot. Woo! So I looked for some easier options, and they have some solderless wire that I found on Amazon. I'll show in the link below, and we're gonna see how it works. Let's get started. This is the Cricut vinyl. I already cut it out earlier. Just gonna peel it. Alright, I'm back. This is the LED light. Ooh, that's bright. I got this off of Amazon. I will put it in the link below. Got these little clips. And these clips also. 20 gauge. I got it from Lowe's. They use this for doorbells. A little black dot. You want to slice it on the black dot. That splits up the connector so you can connect the next one. You also want to make sure your positives with your positive and your negative with your negative. Your red is usually positive. The way I did is, I'll see on the side, red's on top, so the whole time I'm going to keep red on top and white on bottom. With this one, all you do is just insert these in this. You don't even cut the ends. It slices them and puts them together just with the clip. So, power's running through. All I did was just cut the tips again. I don't know how well you can see that, but see if that works. Hey, what's up? I'm back. It's the next morning. It's about 7 a.m. I finished the wild last night. I'm gonna try doing the one and see how that comes out. Hey, I ran out of those clips that I use here. I needed one more. But I went to Home Depot and they have these. And I had some before that I bought off of Amazon, but they weren't working. So I bought these. Maybe these are wrong, and we're gonna give these a try, see how it works, if I can just get that last one in. What's up? I finally finished the sign. The only last thing I have left to do is kind of hide the wires behind the lighting, but I'm gonna do it inside because that's where my hot glue gun is. I'm just gonna get the red and black wires, tuck them behind each of the bulbs, and put them in there. So this came out good without soldering. I just used those clips. Just my first attempt. I'll kind of go over some of the things I wish I went different, and then probably when I try this again, we'll see how this works out, because I'll definitely be doing this again. If I were to do this again, one of the main things I would do is probably try to find some just pure white wire, or like a white beige. Like they have these connectors that I found. It's just white, and then you kind of just keep track of the positive and negative. Instead, just use the white and try to keep track of which one's right. When you go through, just get a tester and see if it's popping up, and if it's lighting up, then you know you're on the right track, the way you kind of saw me do. The glue I used was the super gel, the Gorilla Glue, the super glue. I got the gel one, which works way better than the other one that's dripping. This one, you just kind of dab it on there and it stays put. It's worked really well. It dried like in 5 seconds. Definitely the only things you'll probably be able to see is towards the corners on some of them, where you see the red light, the red and positive. That's kind of where that'll pop up. But all the other wiring in the back, all I'm gonna do is just tuck it in behind the lettering, and you won't be able to see any of it. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, you can like and subscribe, and I'll try to post as much content as I can. Thank you very much for watching this video.